We start at Plaza España, where the lights are brighter, the streets are quieter, and the city breathes in time with the evening. From the grand Las Arenas we'll climb, not just to see the city, but to feel it. A view that's timeless, full of light, history, and life. Ready? Let's start this walk step by step, from the heart to the heights. Las Arenas was originally a bullfighting arena. Built in 1900, it hosted crowds and spectacle before being reborn as a modern shopping center. The plaza itself is a striking blend of Baroque and modern architecture, built as part of the grand plan for Barcelona's 1929 International Exposition. Today, Las Arenas is a cultural and commercial hub, complete with luxury shops, restaurants, and a rooftop offering stunning 360-degree views of the city.
Ascensor subiendo. Ascensor pujant. Planta 3. Tercera planta.
The rooftop is one of the best spots for panoramic views. You can see Montjuïc, the Venetian Towers, and even the distant sea, all framed by the city lights. Up here, the energy is relaxed, but the views are anything but. Palau. Montjuïc's grandeur stands strong in the distance, a reminder of Barcelona's rich history and future. Las Arenas is a public space where visitors can enjoy the cityscape, take a leisurely stroll, or relax at one of the rooftop cafes or restaurants. The spacious terrace allows you to breathe freely, no crowds pressing in, just plenty of room to take in the sights, breathe the fresh air, and feel at peace.
tierra.
Hola, buenas.
With nice places, open seating, and soft lighting, the rooftop feels like a natural retreat, a peaceful space in the heart of Barcelona's vibrant cityscape. The view of the surrounding hills adds to the tranquility. It's a perfect spot to disconnect from the noise and let the beauty of Barcelona unfold before you. Whether you're grabbing a drink or simply sitting back, the rooftop creates an environment where time slows down, and the beauty of the city can be appreciated at your own pace. If you're enjoying this walk, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps us bring you more of these moments. It keeps the walk going and the journey growing.
fahren, was man halt fahren durfte.
Wo war's?
Auf der Autobahn.
Hier in Spanien schon.
Der ist schräg hinterhergekommen. Der ist ewig auf der Autobahn gefahren. Aber ich habe immer noch so
Quattro, cinque. Dos, tres.
Y ahora nuestra idea es似唔似啊？
aquí y lo guardamos la otra.
No, sí, ya me dijo la
Porque...
As we step away from Las Arenas, we follow the road toward Palau Montjuïc, the cityscape unfolding as we move forward. The walk is peaceful, with soft city sounds in the background, a mix of conversations, passing cars, and distant music floating through the air. The streets here are lined with trees and wide sidewalks, giving you a sense of space that lets you truly take in the surroundings. Looking forward, the hill of Montjuïc rises, lush and green, a natural oasis in the middle of the city, perfect for evening strolls.
Lo que pasa es que por lo menos aquí
The towering Palau Nacional starts to take shape ahead, its grand facade lit up, casting a soft glow over the surroundings. In the distance, the magic fountain sits still, waiting for its nightly performance. But tonight it's quiet, just reflecting the stars. As we near the base of the hill, the atmosphere grows calm, almost serene, with the city slowly fading into the distance as Montjuïc becomes the focus. You'll notice locals walking their dogs, couples chatting softly, and groups of friends casually enjoying the night. Montjuïc seems to invite relaxation and reflection.
Caminas como con pereza.
As you approach Palau Montjuïc, the majestic structure stands tall, its glowing lights casting a soft aura over the surrounding area. The vibe here is relaxed. People linger on the steps, enjoying the calm of the evening, with the city sprawling out behind them. Live performances often fill the air, artists sharing their talents with the public, adding a layer of charm to the already magical atmosphere. Though the fountains are still, the space around Palau Montjuïc invites you to stop and take in the beauty, offering a perfect spot to reflect and enjoy the view. The atmosphere here feels timeless. No rush, no loud distractions, just the peaceful hum of life moving at its own pace. As you look around, the space feels wide open, a gentle invitation to pause, breathe, and appreciate the night. The warm glow of the building, the soft city lights, and the distant hum of the streets create a perfect backdrop for unwinding and soaking in the calm of Barcelona after dark. As the night winds down, Barcelona's heartbeat slows, but its beauty stays steady, like the stars above. From the top of Las Arenas to the quiet grounds of Palau Montjuïc, we've walked through light, music, and the soft embrace of the city's evening glow. Thank you for walking with us tonight. Until the next adventure, stay present, stay curious, and let the night guide you forward.